Hello my friends, welcome to another video. Are you a person who's petrified about snakes? Well, I am. So if you're petrified, if you are petrified about snakes, this video is for you, so keep watching, okay? Hey guys, welcome to another video. I hope you guys are well. In this video, we're going to be talking all about snakes. Yes, guys, it's gardening season and the snakes are out here, okay? So you all, it's going to be a chatty video about snakes. I'm going to tell you how I made this snake repellent. Yes, I made the snake repellent. I'm going to give you all the details on how to make it and how to do it and how to spray it, okay? Because I am not joking with these snakes. I am terrified of snakes. And if I see any, guys, I don't want to catch a heart attack. I'm telling you right now. So guys, so those of you who are new to the channel, we live in the countryside and our house got damaged. The foundation got damaged, and so we have to move into this new house, which we are in right now. Now on my property, after 2 years of living there, we found a very large snake about my finger to this length, okay? To my elbow. My son found a snake, but it was dead. And it was really big. I was quite surprised. And it was black and silver. And I was terrified. My son picked it up with a stick and says, "Mom, look." I was like, I dashed into the house so fast. My husband was like, "What happened?" I was screaming. And he's like, "Oh, I just want to show Mom the dead snake." I was like, "I don't want to show your father. Let him bury it. I don't care." Because I was so scared of that thing. But I think the cat had killed it, right? That's what I think. And it was way on the end of our property. My son found it. And I was like, okay, I guess I would not be going in the bushes on the other side of our property, because if there's any snakes there, I'm sorry. I'm not friends with them, so I'm not gonna go over there. But when I think about it, I was like, my cats are always out there, so if there's any snakes, they will kill them, so I don't have to worry, because that's the first time we ever find a snake there, and it was pretty good sight. And after that, we've been there for 4.5 years, and I've never seen any snakes whatsoever. But since I moved there, I've been burning wood, I've been burning straw, I've been burning our cardboard. So I know from the Caribbean where I come from, like, we burn tire to keep snakes away. And so I know that works really well. So I've been doing that. So if there was any snakes there, they would definitely don't like the smoke and they'd run away. So I've never seen another one after that one my son found. But guys, the reason why I'm making this snake repellent here today is because I went for a walk, and to my great surprise, I saw about 5 snakes. Yes, guys, about 5. They were multicolored and they were just sunning themselves. I was so scared. I just like ran for my life saying, "Oh my gosh, snakes." And there was a lady and her kids walking, and she was like, "Oh, don't be afraid of them." And her kids went and looked at them, and they were just laying there sunning themselves like nobody's business. And me, I was all the way down on the path, you know. And she said, "Just remember, don't pick them up. They will bite you." I'm like, I'm so scared of snake, I won't even pick them up. So this is not for me. Anyways, so now that I know the area that I live in have lots of grass snakes, oh my goodness, and they come out and sun themselves, oh yeah. This is going to be a problem for me. Guys, in the back of where I have my little garden there, on the other side of the fence where the neighbors are, it's grassy, so they have grass. And on my side, we have stones. So I know if there's lots of grass snakes there, they're gonna come and lay themselves on that stone to get themselves warm, because they like, you know, warmth. Oh, just thinking about it gets me like, I don't know, like, ooh. I don't like snakes. I don't care if they're grass snakes, if they're harmless, I don't care. I don't like snakes. So, So I have to do something so they don't come anywhere near me in my backyard. And I found out that because we live next to a green space on the opposite side of me, which is the other houses, there's a green space behind there. On the right side is another green space because I go walking there. And on the further side of me, there's another green space. So we're kind of surrounded by green space. We're surrounded by green space. And so hence is the reason why there's a lot of grass snakes everywhere. Oh my goodness. Oh, guys, why did I move in that area had I known there were grass snakes? Anyways, let me tell you guys what I'm going to be using to get rid of the grass snakes. So in the previous video, you guys saw me putting this lemongrass out to dry. And I was going to use this lemongrass for tea. Well, guys, they're not going to be used for tea anymore. I'll be using them over the entire garden season to make like teas. And I'm going to be using lemongrass essential oil. And I am going to make it that mixture, which I'm going to put in a bottle. And we are going to be spraying all over my garden and the fence area so that those grass snakes do not come near me. So first you need to, if you look in here, I have the lemongrass in there. And you need to boil the lemongrass and leave it to sit for a day so it can really infuse into the water. And once it's infused, then you add your lemongrass essential oil and you swirl it around. Then you put it in a spray bottle, and then you want to go outside and spray your areas. You can spray your pots, you can spray the ground, you can spray in any areas there, like your whole area, because that smell repel them. They do not like that smell, so they're not gonna come around. And if you have tire or something like that, or anything like burning, smelling, they don't like that. But unfortunately, we're in a stubborn area and we cannot burn things, so the burning is not going to happen. But we're going to be using the lemongrass mixture here to get rid of these little grass snakes, because I don't want them anywhere near me, and plus I'm very scared of them. It's traumatizing. My son was saying, Mom, you should upload the video. I'm like, I'm not uploading any video, because he was with me and he took some photographs and some video of them. I was like, oh, stay far away from me. Anyways, guys, so if you have grass snakes, or if you have, you know, like your area have snakes and you want to get rid of them, you need to get some lemongrass. You need to get some lemongrass essential oils, and you need to get real lemongrass and boil it and mix that mixture, you know, make a big batch, and then put it in a spray bottle and go out there and spray everywhere. Spray your pots, spray your walkway, spray everywhere. Just keep in mind that when it rains, you know, the scent is gonna go away. But once the rain is over and outside get all dry again, just go ahead and spray. If you like me and you're scared of snakes, you're gonna want to be doing that very, very regular, so that they don't come around near you or come and sun themselves on rocks or on rocks or anywhere near your property. So guys, sorry, this is a rambling videos about snakes because I'm so scared of them, and I just wanted to make this video for those of you who's scared of snakes too, and you want to find something to deter them, something that they hate, so that they will not come around and go in your garden, or, you know, go near your pots or whatever. So guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao. Stay positive.